Goldman Sachs just reported 300 million jobs at risk by WiseX. That is not speculation. That is their official forecast. Right now, 47,000 companies use Claude for customer service. Not next year. Today. OpenAI's GPT-4 passed the bar exam with 90th percentile scores. One AI tool replaced 700 paralegals at major firms in 8 months. This is happening faster than anyone predicted. Your job might be on this list. YouTube creators are losing sponsorships to AI video generators. Radiologists are training their own replacement right now. Microsoft just embedded Copilot into Windows for 1.8 billion devices. Your coworkers are already using it. Tax accountants report 65% of their work is automatable within 24 months. Not eventually. 24 months. The second wave hits harder than the first wave. Your industry is next. Companies are not waiting. They are acting. Your salary is their cost reduction target. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. AI every day.